Withdrawing money from Bybit, a cryptocurrency exchange, is a relatively straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Access withdrawal page. Once logged in, navigate to the withdrawal or wallet section, usually found in the main dashboard or settings. Select the cryptocurrency. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw from your Bybit account. Bybit supports various cryptocurrencies. Enter withdrawal details. Fill in the recipient wallet address where you want to send the funds. Ensure that the address is accurate to avoid loss of funds. You may also need to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details, including the destination wallet address and the withdrawal amount. If everything is accurate, confirm the withdrawal request. Security verification. Bybit might require additional security verification, such as email or SMS confirmation. Follow the provided instructions to complete this step. Check confirmation email. Bybit typically sends a confirmation email to verify the withdrawal request. Open your email inbox, find the email, and click on the confirmation link if required. Monitor withdrawal status. After confirmation, Bybit will process your withdrawal request. You can monitor the status of your withdrawal within your Bybit account. They will often provide a transaction ID that you can use to track the transaction on the blockchain.